An Alternative Green Renewable Energy Website Guide. Chapter 1. Alternative Green Renewable Energy Websites. Alternative energy articles at thoughtco.com. thoughtco.com/sources-power-production-26989916. Fuels may be either renewable, like wood or biofuel generated from products such as corn, or non-renewable, like coal or oil. thoughtco.com/main-energy-forms-and-examples-60924. thoughtco.com/the-pros-of-biofuels-12039797. thoughtco.com/introduction-to-green-technology-1991836. thoughtco.com/history-of-solar-cells-1992-435. Eco-energy websites. 1. Alternative energy books are in the number 333.7 and number 621.45 section at the library. accesstoenergy.com, Access to Energy. ACE.org, American Council for an Energy Efficient Economy. AER-ONLINE.com, Alternative Energy Retailer. AFDC.NREL.gov, Alternative Fuels Data Center, the nation's most comprehensive source for information on alternative fuels. AIE.org.au, Australian Institute of Energy. almar.org/resources.html, Recycling Guide for Solid Waste. alternative-energy-news.info. alternative-power.com. amconservationgroup.com, AM Conservation Group, Inc. a full-service source for quality weatherization. AmericanEnergyIndependence.com. AmericanEnergyIndependence.com. AmericanGreenSystems.com. AppSolar.com, Ananda Power Technologies, Inc., manufacturer of all listed control, monitoring, and safety products. ARDICA.com, Artica Technologies. ASE.org, Alliance to Save Energy. ase.org/section/audience/consumers/refinancer-model/refinancing, Alliance to Save Energy, info on energy efficient mortgages. ASIS.org, Solar Energy Society. AW.org, American Wind Energy Association. azsolarcenter.com, Arizona Solar Center. Backwoodshome.com. backwoodshome.com/articles. bcsc.org, Business Council for Sustainable Energy. bigfrogmountain.com. biopowersystems.com. blacklightpower.com. bloomboxreviews.org. bloomnergy.com. bloomnergy.com, Bloom Energy, Bloombox, promise to not only bring ample amounts of power in a small amount of space, but to change people's dependency on traditional power grids, all for less than $3,000 a unit. brightsurf.com. buildingphysics.com, Building Physics Computer Programs. californiabiodiesel.net, New Generation Cooperatives. cat.org.uk, Center for Alternative Technology. cbs.state.or.us, Oregon Department of Consumer and Business Services, State Regulatory and Consumer Protection Agency, contains Oregon Office of Energy. cei.org. ch2bc.org, Clearinghouse for Hydrogen-Based Energy. chicagofreakbike.org. ceillion.com. Eco-energy websites. 2. cirkits.com/solar/solarlinks.html, links to alternative energy websites. cleancoaltech.com, Clean Energy, CEN, Technology. clean-energy.com. cleanerheat.ca. cleanpower.org, Center for Energy Efficiency and Renewable Technologies. cleantechnica.com. coaltech.com. cogentregs.com/cogentregs/homepage.cfm, cogentregs, Environmental Compliance Information. communitiesolution.org, the end of fossil fuels. ConsumerEnergyCenter.org. conversens.ca/energuide, 800-670-4636. coolfuelroadtrip.com. crest.org. crest.org/index, renewable energy and sustainable technology. culturechange.org, Sustainable Energy Institute. Cutter.com/TUS, technologies for utility success. dig.com/general_sciences/biologically_inspired_ocean_power. DesireUSA.org, database of state incentives for renewable energy. dti.gov.uk/energy, renewable energy, UK. dutw239.2delft.nl/envenergy, the Environment and Energy Directory at Delft University of Technology. Eco-Energy websites 3. eartheacy.com. earthenergy.ca, earthenergy.org, Canadian Earth Energy Association. ec.org, Export Council for Energy Efficiency. ecobusiness-links.com/green_electricity_providers_power_companies.htm, utility companies offering green power. ecoenergyatlantic.ca. ecolorado.org. ecw.org, Energy Center of Wisconsin, nonprofit energy efficiency research company. edcmag.com. edisonev.com/who.htm, EdisonEv, the power to drive the future. eec.und.nodac.edu, Energy and Environmental Research Center, EERC. eair.energy.gov, 877-337-3463, earic@ee.energy.gov, U.S. Department of Energy Program on Energy Efficiency and Renewable Energy. eair.energy.gov/afdc, Alternative Fuels Data Center. eair.energy.gov/consumerinfo/factsheets.html, #EE Homes, Energy Efficient Lighting. eair.energy.gov/consumerinfo/factsheets.html, #RE, Renewable Energy, Learning About. eair.energy.gov/green power, the Green Power Network, buy from a green electricity supplier. eair.energy.gov/hydrogen and fuel cells/pubs_educational.html, hydrogen, fuel cells and technology fact sheets. eair.energy.gov/wind and hydro. ee.notes.org, energy efficiency and renewable resources facilitate discussion of fast-paced restructuring. ef.org, Energy Foundation. efficientwindows.org, Windows, energy efficient. efi.org, EFI, Energy Federation, Inc., energy conserving information and products. eia.energy.gov, Energy Information Administration. eia.energy.gov/links.html, Energy Links. elements.nb.ca/theme/energy. emerging-energy.com, IHS Emerging Energy Research. IHS Emerging Energy Research, EER, is an independent research and advisory company that provides pragmatic, forward-thinking advice about new energy technologies. energy.ca.gov. energy.ca.gov/renewables/index.html, Renewable Energy, California Energy Commission. Eco-Energy websites 4. energy.iastate.edu. energy.seekingalpha.com. energy.sourceguides.com, Energy Buyer's Guide and Business Directory to more than 10,000 renewable energy businesses worldwide. EnergyDepot.com, Energy Depot, source for home energy information and products. EnergyIdeas.org, Energy Ideas Clearinghouse. EnergyInnovations.com. energy-net.org, Abalone Alliance/EnergyNet, working to promote non-nuclear renewable energy sources in California. EnergyOutfitters.com. EnergyOutlet.com, The Energy Outlet, a resource center promoting electrical energy conservation. energyportal.eu, energyright.com, Energy Right, Home Energy Information. TVA. EnergyStar.gov, 888, star yes. EnergyTomorrow.org. EnergyVictory.net.